Hey, welcome by. I'm Bob. This is Squeezy's World, which is my world, can be your world. Anyways, thanks for stopping by, man. I really appreciate it. I hope everybody's having a great day. I hope it's not raining and cold and windy where you're at. It is here. Otherwise, I'd have my new little drone, which is the reason I'm here, end up flying it and showing you. But since I can't, here it is. It's a nice little 4K drone. It's a Mini 3. It's DJI. It's a cool little drone. The reason you need a drone like this is because you can fly it up 300 feet with a 4K camera. You can bring it on up. It's got a nice zoom. You know what's going on in your 2-3 block area. During an SHTF, that's going to be valuable information to know what's going on over the next hedge, so to speak. I think everybody should at least consider having one. I chose this one. I have a few other drones. They don't have 4K. They don't have, one does have some GPS. This has full GPS. You can control it, guide it, hit, come to home or wherever it's at, it'll come right back home. Can't go wrong. If it loses signal strength for any reason, it'll come right back home. Battery gets low, come back home. So it's just something to think about. I think that everybody truly in your prepping tools should have one, something like that anyways. It's a very important tool to have. It does come with a neat little handset, pretty cool little handset. You can control it. They say it'll go 5 miles. Probably good 3 miles. Legally right now, if you fly it, you're not supposed to be able to fly it, direct line of sight. As long as you can see it, you can fly it. A lot of people don't do that. A lot of people set it on out there over trees and bushes and stuff and all that good stuff in lakes and ponds. They do that. If they get caught doing that, could cost them. So best thing to do is stay with where you're supposed to be and you won't have no problems. There are a set of rules that you have to fly by, but those rules go out the door when you're during an SHTF full blast. Nobody will care. There'll be nobody around to care. So I think everybody should at least think about getting one of those. This is, like I said, the one I got. I think it's a pretty neat old drone. Whenever the weather's really good, really nice and calm and stuff, I'll take it out and we'll take a look, see what it looks like. Many videos on YouTube that show pretty much the same thing. So, you can look there and see what it does. A little cold, sorry. It's the weather. What can I say? So anyways, I hope everybody's having a great weekend. We do have the inauguration tomorrow. We do have the Ohio State Buckeyes playing tomorrow. They're playing Notre Dame. So it's a toss-up between one or the other. Am I going to watch the football game? Or am I going to watch the full, swearing in and all that good stuff? Probably toss between both for a little while. I think we're in for a better 4 years. The last 4 years have been terrible. Economy sucks. It is what it is. It is what it is. We got a president now who's pledges to make it a lot better. So if he does, more power to him, right? More power to him. So, all right then. Hey, look, appreciate y'all being here. It's nothing but love for you guys. I truly mean it. Be safe. If you're on the East Coast, stay warm. If you're up in the high mountain ranges, stay very warm because it's pretty cold. And, we get through this winter part, will be great. See, down here in the South, we don't get this kind of stuff. This is that Alaskan or whatever polar vortex coming down through here. We don't see that. It's going to get freaking cold for down here, bitter cold. And, we just hope everything goes okay. So, all right, then, hey, look, thanks for stopping by. Give me the thumbs ups. Appreciate it. If you have some comments, say some comments. Like I said, get yourself a drone, no matter where you live. It will come in handy. And they're fun to fly, even before this HTF. So just saying, know the laws, know the rules, get to know them. And if you're under 250 grams, you don't even have to register it. Don't have to do anything. It's over 250 grams. You don't need a license, but you should register it. Costs $5 for 3 years. Yeah, it's no big deal. During SHTF, it's not going to matter what hill of beans either way. So, all right then. Hey, look, it's nothing but love for you. Appreciate y'all being here. we'll catch you on the flip side, as they say, and we'll talk to you later.